What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investment Trade with Jackson. Take a look at SPX6900. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something, but we are in 3 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trading group, just hang around to the end of the video. $1.94, up 10% on the day. Market cap 1.8 billion, 24-hour volume 79 million. So SPX held strong in that pullback. As you can see, we didn't go as deep as I thought we would, so we have to consider that a 4. Off this low all the way back in March at 25 cents, 1, 2, pushing up into 3, 4, now pushing up into 5. So if we zoom in to our smaller wave count, we have a 1 into a 2. Now you're looking to push up into 3, targets $2.18. And then you would pull back 3, 4, 5. And that should, well, let's take a look. That will probably just complete the wave 1 of the larger wave 5. And we'll get a target. Let's get a target. It might be 293. Take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 all the way up to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. And this will give us, yeah, it's going to be way higher. This will give us our wave 5 target. So we can expect a wave 5 all the way up in between $4.35 and the 78.6 at $5.90. That's what you can expect in our wave 5 to complete that larger wave count to the upside. I do think we could easily get in between $20 to $50 this bull market. Obviously some are calling for 100, but I think realistically definitely in between $20 to $50. If we look at the daily chart, we hit that target of our inverse head and shoulders. We bounced off the 50 EMA, the blue line. So we're just climbing the stairs. Eventually you will see a larger pullback as part of the game. But I don't see SPX having any problem with the amount of interest getting above $20 this bull run. We'll have to see how everything plays out. We're not trading this one, but we are in 3 trades right now for other projects. Giga, Ethereum, Turbo. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. There's absolutely no strings attached. This is one of the top exchanges for trading, investing. Once you sign up, just send me an email. I'll send you the link to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including SPX. My trade setups, we're in trades for Turbo, Ethereum, Giga, what I'm investing in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours free with the 30-second sign up to Bitfinex, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.